Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Mandarin set in Heartopia game. Okay, to get this set guys, you need to join the developer live log event, and you can access it from here. Click on this globe icon, and then you're going to go to the new live log. Okay, and if you have completed the quest, you will get special rewards, and one of the rewards is the Mandarin set. Okay, the Mandarin t-shirt, and then Mandarin cargo pants, and then this Mandarin leather skirt, and so on. Actually, I haven't unlocked the all parts of the set. I haven't unlocked this Mandarin Beret, but yeah, you just need to complete the quest to get all of them. And okay guys, that's how you can get the Mandarin set in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.